Hi everyone. Today's video is about how to fix iPhone is unreachable on PC. You drag an iPhone photo to PC. It fails and shows the device is unreachable. You tried again, but it still showed the same error. Drives you crazy. There are some super simple fixes. The first thing you can try is change the iPhone settings to transfer photos. Open Settings, go to Photos. Open Photo Settings and go to Transfer to Mac or PC. Select Keep Original. Or you can use FonePaw, a transfer program, to move files without error. Install and open FonePaw Dotrans. Connect your iPhone. Choose Photos. When the photos are loaded, select those you want to import to PC. Choose Export to PC. Select a folder and the photo will be saved in the folder without error. Have a try.